So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your C drive, double click on it. And now once you're on this, in the top right, you want to search for size : gigantic. It will take a while to load, but it's going to show you many of your large files on your computer that take up several gigabytes. I've got nothing on my computer, but in your case, once this loads up, you want to delete any large files that you don't need. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in disk cleanup. Click on it. If it gives you an option, you want to select your C drive. You want to tick everything here. Just tick all these boxes and then select clean up system files. And now this will come up. Again, if it gives you like an option, you want to select your C drive and then again you want to tick all these files. Once you tick all these files, click on OK and then click on delete files. These are just all your temporary files. Delete everything here. Once you do all of that, for the next step, you want to go to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to remove any applications that you don't need. So if you see any of them, then click on the three dots, click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. You also want to empty your recycle bin. So go to your desktop, find your recycle bin, right click on it, and then click on empty recycle bin, and then click on yes once the pop-up comes up. And then your C drive space should be cleared.